In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate a Mailchimp sign-up form. Whether you're working with an international audience or simply want to make your forms more accessible, translating your Mailchimp sign-up forms is a quick and straightforward process. I'll guide you through it step by step, so by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set it up to meet your needs. First, you'll need to access the appropriate section in your Mailchimp account. Once you're logged in, head over to the Forms section. From there, locate and click on Other Forms. This will bring you to the tools you need to customize and translate your sign-up forms. Scroll down to the Form Builder tile and then click Manage Forms to get started. If your account has more than one audience, you'll need to select the specific audience you're working with. To do this, just click the Audience drop-down menu and choose the one you want to focus on. This ensures that you're editing the right forms and settings for the correct group of subscribers. Once you've selected your audience, you'll see the Forms and Response Emails drop-down menu. Click on it and you'll be able to choose the specific form, landing page, or response email you want to work on. This is where you decide which part of your sign-up process or communication needs translating. Now, navigate to the Translate It tab. This is where the magic happens. To set the default language for your form, click on the Set Default Language drop-down menu and pick the language you want. Mailchimp offers a range of language options, so you should be able to find the one that works for your audience. Once you've selected the default language, you'll notice a table displaying all the phrases from your form alongside their English equivalents. For any of these, you can click on a field to edit the translated version. This is particularly useful if you want to fine-tune the translations to ensure clarity and cultural relevance for your audience. Take your time here to make sure everything is just right. After making your edits, don't forget to save your work. Simply click Save Translation Settings to lock in your changes, if you want to simplify the process even further. Mailchimp also offers an auto-translate feature. To use this, just check the auto-translate checkbox, and Mailchimp will handle the translation for you. While this is a convenient option, keep in mind that auto-translation might not always be perfect, so you may want to review the results to ensure accuracy. And that's it. Now you know how to translate a Mailchimp sign-up form. Whether you're targeting a new market or creating a more inclusive experience for your subscribers, this is a great way to make your forms more effective. Thanks for watching and happy translating.